Here is a wonderful 2021 Honda Accord. This vehicle still has fewer than 5,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This Accord will dazzle you with its perfect blend of comfort, safety, connectivity, spaciousness, performance, and elegant style. It's no wonder the Accord has become an industry icon. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. In life, there are many roads to take. Choose excellence. Drive the Honda Accord.